First elected woman official of Indian heritage in New York State. Please welcome the Honorable Uma Semgupta.
I'm not going to say good morning to you now. I'm going to say good morning in a Bengali language, and you repeat after me. Suprabhat. Scott, Suprabhat. Welcome, Suprabhat. Everybody is Suprabhat here. Tagore used to say Suprabhat, means good morning. And today we can say good morning. It's a beautiful morning. Today we are standing here in Times Square with the great help and kindness and support and cooperation from our Borough President. I really want you to give a big, big hand. We will never be able to get this opportunity without him. We are very, very proud to be here and stand here and let the whole nation to know, not New York City, not New York State, not USA, but the whole world about Tagore, who is Tagore, and why we are celebrating the 158th birthday. I'd like to thank you, all of you, visitors, invited guests, elected officials, and Aparna Sen, the famous film director, to be here to join with us and share our feelings. She can see that 10,000 miles away, we have the same feelings like Indians in India, and we are celebrating the most prestigious place in New York City, Times Square. And I want to thank all of you to be here and to participate and to join with us. And I want everybody to give a big hand for Roger Sengupta, who is behind the scene. This is to honor Aparna Sen with a silk shawl, and we like to invite Scott and Malcolm to have this honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
That was beautiful. As you know, Tagore wrote 2 national anthems. He wrote that of Bangladesh and also of India. We're also going to be singing our national anthem today. The Indian national anthem will be performed by the Indian Cultural Center of New York City.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhag Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkal Banga Vindhya Himachal Jamuna Ganga Uchchal Jaladhi Taranga तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
This is the national anthem of Bangladesh. Basically, we all are born in Bangladesh.
সোনার বাংলা আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি ওমা ফাগুনে তোর আমের বনে গানে পাগল করে মরিহায় হায় রে ওমা ফাগুনে তোর আমের বনে গানে পাগল করে ওমা ঘ্রাণে তোর ভরা খেতে কি দেখেছি আমি কি দেখেছি মধুর হাসি সোনার বাংলা আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি
Cat Gang and Simona Roy to sing our American national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free? আজি বসন্তে এত ফুল ফোটে, এত বাঁশি বাজে, এত পাখি গায়, আজি বসন্তে। সখীর হৃদয় কুসুম কোমল, কারণাদারে আজি ঝরে যায়। কেন কাছে আসো, কেন মিছে হাসো, কাছে যে আসিত সে তো আসিতে না চায়, আজি বসন্তে। সুখে আছে যারা, সুখে থাক তারা, সুখের বসন্ত সুখে হোক সারা। দুঃখিনী নারী নয়নের নীর, সুখী জানে যেন দেখিতে না পায়। তারা দেখেও দেখে না, তারা বুঝেও বুঝে না, তারা ফিরেও না চায়। আজি এ বসন্তে এত ফুল ফোটে, এত বাঁশি বাজে, পাখি গায় আজি বসন্তে